In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up international shipping on eBay, step by step. Setting up international shipping can greatly expand your customer base, opening up your online store to customers around the world, and I'm here to guide you through the process effortlessly. To get started, you'll first need to log into your eBay seller account. Once you're logged in, navigate to My eBay and select Selling, or alternatively, you can open up the Seller Hub. These are your main control centers where you manage listings and track performance. Once inside, you're going to select Listings and then Active Listings. If you're just starting out and need to create a new listing, this is also where you'll do that. Next, you'll want to either edit an existing item or create a new listing. To do so, click the Edit button if it's an existing item or click Create Listing for something new. Now scroll down until you find the Shipping Details section, which is pivotal for setting up both domestic and international shipping options. Within the shipping service area, you'll have two primary options to choose from. The first is flat rate. This option allows you to set a single shipping cost for all your international buyers, which can be beneficial if you want simplicity and cost certainty. The second option is calculated, which bases the shipping cost on the buyer's location and the weight or size of the item being shipped. This method can offer potential savings to your customers, as it tends to be more precise. Don't forget to check the box for international shipping. This step is crucial because it signals to eBay that you're willing to ship orders globally. When it comes to choosing your shipping method, you have the flexibility of two excellent choices. You can opt for eBay International Shipping, abbreviated as EIS. This option is fantastic because eBay will handle customs, international delivery, and provide protections against challenges that might arise during shipping. The alternative is direct international shipping, which lets you ship directly through trusted carriers like USPS, FedEx, or UPS. Once you've settled on a shipping method, the next step is selecting the regions or countries you'll be shipping to. You can choose to ship to a wide variety of places such as North America, Europe, and Asia, or wherever you're comfortable sending your products. If you're not using ICE, you'll need to set your shipping costs according to your chosen method, whether that's flat rate or calculated. Finally, after reviewing all your choices, click Save and List Item. This final step ensures your listing goes live with the international shipping options properly set up. By following these instructions, you're opening your store to the world with just a few clicks. Happy selling, and may your products reach wide and far.